欢迎乘坐北京地铁6号线列车，本次列车开往海淀五路区站方向。Welcome to Subway Line 6. This train is bound for 海淀五路区。列车运行前方是白石桥南站，远途的乘客请往车厢中部走，下车的乘客请提前做好准备。白石桥南站是换乘车站，换乘地铁9号线的乘客，请按站内提示标有序换乘。各位乘客，尊老爱幼是中华民族的传统美德，请把座位让给需要帮助的乘客，谢谢合作。The next station is 白石桥 South. Please get ready for your arrival. 白石桥 South transfer station. Passengers for line 9, please prepare to get off. 白石桥南站到了。We are arriving at 白石桥 South Station.